International track star Asafa Powell before the courts on a child maintenance matter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who is being naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. So subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. International Olympian track star Asafa Powell has gotten himself in a bit of hot water per se, or a bit of controversy as it relates to a child maintenance case that was brought before the courts just yesterday. So in this matter, it is said that Asafa and his ex-girlfriend had an informal agreement of a sum of money to be paid over to her monthly in a child maintenance matter. However, that amount of money was said to be increased informally to an undetermined sum, but we're going to divulge the sum later on in the program. And this has raised many questions and many doubts in Asafa's mind, as he had requested now a paternity test for that child that is in court right now based on the maintenance problem that he and his ex-girlfriend are having right now. So before we even divulge the details of this, let me just talk a little bit and just discuss this matter. So this is a matter that has been going on for some time right now, and the two are trying to work out the problem. However, money is in the picture right now, and once money is in the picture, you know that's gonna be a problem. Red flags there. Alright, so you know Olympian track star Asafa Powell garnered international fame, international recognition for becoming Jamaica's first fastest man in the world. Remember that one of the time he was the world fastest man. But let we just forget about that right now, focus on this. So he wants to do a DNA test. This means that there is some doubt in the track star mind that this child is his. Wow, paternity test, DNA test, that's gonna be done. So with that said, we're gonna divulge the details of what really took place yesterday in court as it relates to the whole entire proceeding and what's to come from this, as they are stated to return back to court in October of this year. So the Olympian track star Asafa Powell has requested a paternity test for his daughter, who is actually 7 years now. This development came as he was hauled before the courts on the request from his ex, Amita Prasad Webb, that he pay a monthly sum of $40,000 in maintenance towards the child. According to information we were able to gather, Powell and Prasad Webb had an informal arrangement where Powell should be paying $25,000 in maintenance each month, but the sprinter failed to honor that commitment, and that was why he was brought before the courts yesterday. Based on this new development and the fact that the sprinter failed to honor the $25,000 a month in agreement that was informally made, his ex-lover is now requesting $40,000 per month in child maintenance. So until the paternity is sorted out, subsequently the arrangement of the $25,000 per month still remain in place until the paternity is disputed and is settled within the courts. It was just last year that the Olympian track star got married to Canadian model Alicia Miller in an exquisite wedding ceremony. So with a pending paternity test right now, and the fans are really anticipating this moment, many fans right across the world are wondering what the result will be. But I'm just asking that the two just try their best to work out this in the best possible way, and just forget about their own personal feelings for each other or their personal differences, based on the fact that they have to keep this child in their thoughts, and at the end of the day the child is the one that is going to be suffering based on the development that will come out of this and the whole entire proceeding that will fall from this. And we're just hoping that everything just goes well for the track star and also its former ex-lover. But I believe that this is going to be an epic one, and that DNA test rests many issues that they're having right now, and I'm just hoping that the DNA test goes the way that both of them would want it to go. Can you imagine if it went haywire? No, that wouldn't be nice, trust me. But we don't want to wait until this is all calm down and then everything is just gonna be like escalating all over social media. We're just hoping that the two can just settle this outside of court, maybe, even though it's in court already, but it still can settle outside of court, and the two just think about the child's future and think about that future and think about their own future as well. So Links TV out for now. Celebrity School, peace.